In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the 3 styles I created over my birthday weekend from the color and roller silk press I showed you in my last video. To begin, I am going to use my FHI Heat Platform ceramic dryer to re-smooth my roots. When I work out, I wrap my hair in a bun and tie my perimeter down with a stretchy satin scarf so the sweat only collects at the roots. I use a ceramic bristled round brush to grip and apply tension and then use the dryer in a sweeping motion away from the scalp so I don't disturb the cuticle layer. Ceramic tools create infrared heat that is able to penetrate the hair shaft from the inside out with negative ions that neutralize and balance to prevent moisture loss, which is why the hair is less susceptible to heat damage than with other types of heat tools. I say all this to say, I have no concern about heat damage when I do straight styles because I use heat protectants and ceramic tools. I am going to start with the middle part and then take the sections from the crown down on either side and clip them away. Then I will divide the back into 3 vertical sections. I am going to create barrel curls with my T3 Micro 1.5 inch clip barrel ceramic iron. I am just going to wrap the section around the barrel, making sure to get the ends under the clip, turn it round and round until it's released on the iron, and then slide the iron out and use a clip to hold it in place. Clipping it after curling allows the curl to set while it cools off, otherwise known as a hard set. I could do this with a wand, but the curling iron is easier to apply tension and get my ends wrapped in without me having to touch the barrel with my fingers. I absolutely love this T3 switch kit set. I have been using it for years and it always creates beautiful curls. The full kit includes a base and 8 interchangeable wand and barrel attachments, which makes swapping them very easy without having to keep a bunch of irons around. So as a stylist, this is definitely something I like to keep in my kit on set. T3 has rapid heat IQ technology that delivers precision heat across 9 temperatures and gets results in one smooth pass with their Ceragloss ceramic material. It also has an ion generator that minimizes frizz and enhances shine. T3 offers several kit variations with 3 irons, or you can create your own bundle if you don't want a full kit with 8. They also offer individuals so you can truly customize your set. I will link you to them below this video so you can check it out. Once I get all of the curls in, I am going to apply Agadir Argan Oil Firm Hold Finishing Spray and leave it clipped up until I get dressed later. Now, if you don't have finishing spray in your arsenal of products, you need to get with it. You can use this on curly styles too. Hairspray helps block humidity and locks in shape. This particular holding spray has argan oil to boost shine and keep the hair smooth. So don't be intimidated by the firm hold in the title. That simply means that it has more of a bonding effect that will stay until either combed or scrunched out. But it doesn't build up or flake and it doesn't dry the hair out. I've been using this on myself and others for more than 10 years and it is perfect every time. Later, after getting dressed, I am going to apply a little Mielle Edge Gel and some Agadir hairspray to slick the front hair into a ponytail underneath the back, creating a hair headband, and then I will curl that piece. Now all I need to do is remove the clips, finger comb, apply a little Mizani HD shine, and that's it. I am ready to go to night one of my birthday weekend. We kicked things off with dinner at Apartment 4B here in Atlanta. They serve amazing Jamaican food and crafted cocktails, and they also have a vinyl lounge and live DJ. I ate, I drank, I danced. It was a good time. The next day, I did the drying of the roots ritual again after my workout, but this time just wrapped my hair into 2 Bantu knots while I got my face on. To begin, I am going to apply Mielle Edge Gel in the front because this is going up in a ponytail. My inspiration for this look is our good sis Beyonce from her B-Day era. I am going to smooth my hair into a crown ponytail using my Denman brush and Agadir hairspray and secure it with a satin ponytail holder, looping it halfway on the last pull through. And this is how I am creating the bangs without having to cut my hair. Now I am going to curl the pieces that will be face framing. That nice crisp finish you see is from the roller set I did a few days prior. That Care foam is doing what it is supposed to do. It is reactivating with heat. This is an instance where you want that crisp. Then I will just ever so gracefully comb it into place with my fine-tooth comb. Once I am done with the faux bang, I will create the messy bun by pulling the hair apart and just situating it into shape. I like doing this type of updo as one ponytail because I don't need a million pins to hold it in place. It makes it more comfortable for me, and this isn't going anywhere. However, if you don't have enough length to do the half bun, half bang ponytail, you can leave out a U-part section for the bang, make a ponytail with the rest, and pin curl chunks into a messy bun. I I am just noodling around with this until I get everything placed where I want it, and then I will put on my rhinestone embellished suit and top this off with Agadir hairspray and Mizani HD Shine. On this night, I celebrated at the Garden Room, which is located on top of the St. Regis Hotel. It's a beautiful floral space with chef-driven menu and cocktails. It's an absolutely gorgeous, fancy good time with amazing food, drinks, and music. I went last year for my 40th and decided it is now my birthday tradition. It's now my actual birthday, and on Sundays, we brunch. I am going to start by making a side part and using some Mael Edge Gel to slick the side back with my fine tooth comb and smooth the swoop side in place with some Agadir hairspray and cheese silk oil. I'm using my Denman Boar brush to make sure all of the hair is perfectly smoothed into place, and then I will secure it with my satin ponytail holder. I love these satin ponytail holders because I can stretch them further to get my hair pulled through and they won't pop like regular elastics tend to do. And it will slide off without getting tangled or pulling hair out when I take this down. I have these in my Amazon shop. The brand I have here is called Slip, but they are kind of pricey, so I will link a substitute. Now I am going to cover the ponytail holder with a band of hair, wrapping it neatly and tucking under the base as I go so I won't need any pins. Next, I will curl sections, comb them out, and I'll be done. This is a super easy, sleek look that I love to do on straight hair, especially towards the end of the week. My birthday weekend was full of good food and great drinks, all thanks to my amazing friends. I am looking forward to a year full of blessings and joy. Where lots of people view New Year's Day as the beginning of their new year, I view November 5th as mine. I always feel the most optimistic and full on my birthday, and I am ready to tackle 41. I want to thank you all for your well wishes and support of me as I prepare to relaunch my product line, and just for over the years being such an amazing audience to interact with. You all really make this worthwhile. It is my pleasure to be able to give you good, solid information that you can use to have a healthier hair journey. And now we brunch. The Select is one of my favorites here in the Atlanta area. It's modeled after the original in Paris. They have a wide selection of French-inspired dishes for brunch, lunch, and dinner, as well as some very nicely done cocktails from their beautiful floral bar. You will find links to everything used in the About section below this video or by visiting MoKnowsHair.com.